Hi, welcome to the walk. Today's walk is fairly straightforward. Dragon's Back is where we're heading. Then we'll take on the Pottinger Peak Country Trail and tend to the thousands plus downhill coastal scenic steps to Big Wave Bay. Dragon's Back is one of the best long scenic trails on Hong Kong Island. There are several viewpoints on the path, offering open views of Tai Tam Bay to the west or South China Sea to the east. The coastal scenic steps give you superb view of where we just set foot, the Dragon's Back. The beauty of this walk is we will reach the scenic path from the drop-off point in no time at all. Commencing from To Tei Wan bus stop on Shek O Road, the starting point of Hong Kong Trail Section 8. Just follow the site climbing up about 17 kilometers. You will get to the breathtaking Dragon's Back. On this uphill walk, there are several spots offering great views of Tai Tam Bay, so take your time. The climb should take about 15 to 20 minutes. The first sight on the ridge brings you a taste of the magnificent view of South China Sea and Shek O on the foothill. Don't put your camera or phone away. There are more well-positioned viewing spots on the ridge upcoming. We are lucky this time. We have been on this trail several times. The visibility this time by far is the best. Today is over 30 degrees Celsius though.
That, to me, is a step too far. Involved in investing too.
Wow, this narrow stretch gives the best view of Tai Tam Bay. When you turn to the other side, you can see here is the point right on top of Shek O. We are coming up to the viewing platform that slightly sticks out on the right, reviewing the path of the ridge we were on just now. Here we are, the highest point of Dragon's Back, Shek O Peak at 284 meters. Look, just beautiful. Another viewing deck. See, a bench here. Yes, it suggests spending more time to admire the stunning view of the South China Sea. So I might as well do that. Well, can't stay too long though. Really a bit hot. A signboard here, showing Tai Tam Bay. Unfortunately, the view is partially obstructed.
They wanted to show us around, they wanted us to come over, they wanted us to show their guns, they wanted us to...
We are taking the Pottinger Peak Country Trail from here, along the water catchment, for the next 15 minutes. There is a sharp turn on the right, to a 1,000+ downhill steps towards Big Wave Bay. Worth it. You will be rewarded by another stunning scenery. One can be easily absorbed by the seemingly 270-degree sensational views on both sides and face front. Don't forget to watch your steps though. Walk a remarkable view of Dragon's Back.
You wouldn't think that was a prison. Over 5 years, we've reduced by the same amount of work. We even...
Hope you enjoyed the walk as much as I did. Have a great day ahead.